You can see we're running about $18. This just reduced. This was running about $100 just a few minutes ago, but this just reduced. And let's come to the chart. You can see I had another entry around, yeah, this was the first entry, 0.7. This is the second entry, right? And I had different SL but similar targets. So let's jump to the chart and let's know what's about this trade. Welcome back, guys. New day. This about 7. Am I used? Why am I used to always 7? I guess that's just this is about 9 past 9, 10 minutes past 9. London session. Yeah, London session. We just had a London session and everything. So it's gonna be a very good video. I told you guys I'll be documenting, and yeah, we are back to there. This is the first trade I am taking this week, right? This is the first trade I am taking this week, right? Last trade that was an L was USD card, and yeah, and I want to talk about swing trading. I was back testing yesterday. There is something really important I got to understand, right? The markets, I think when we start looking at the market like an algorithm, you start looking at it like an algorithm, not just people are moving the market. Just look at it like an algorithm. You can't control it. Nobody can control it. Just look at it like that. I feel like we are going to perform better, because when I was back testing, I was like, would I enter here? Okay, if I had entered here, this is how I could have stayed in this position. This is how long I could have been in this position, going up and down and everything. And I think that really changed my mind for everything. This morning, not this morning, actually, on Tuesday, today is Thursday currently. On Tuesday, I was looking for a long position on Euro USD, but I got to understand something. I got to be patient. Because if I rushed that pair, I could have been stopped out yesterday, and if I had rushed it still, I would not have gotten a good entry. Right now, we are in Euro USD. That trade position, I reached 1% on that trade, and it's going well. I'll show you guys on the chart and everything. So, guys, this is our chart, and let me explain to you guys how this position came about. Now, on the left pane is the daily time frame. And 4-hour time frame. On the right pane, we have our entry time frames and everything. So what simply we did was, now on day time frame, you can see price. Price came to this demand area that created new highs and everything. This is a very good demand area, and also an area that was used as a break and retest. You can see price tried we are trading both break and retest and also demand area. You can see that price kind of reacted here, almost stood off from this region. If you have a pin like this, so it's almost stood off from this region, but you broke it out. Then we're back to that area, so we are expecting a long to the upside before we could stand on a big bias for shorts to the downside. So we are longing towards shorts. So that's what we're doing basically. Now price entered here yesterday, and that was the first thing we had in our head, and we saw that price created a nice engulfing. Right now, this engulfing was what we needed to see. And now back to the 1-hour time frame. You can see that what I do before my entries it's very simple. I would love to see a break or a change, a break in structure or a change in market structure. You can see price created new lows. Now these new lows that created this lower high was taken out massively. You can see now price is back to that region at which it broke that high from, right? So that was where we got our entry. We entered on the engulfing, engulfing. And this was my first entry. This was my second entry. My second entry was around here, but it's kind of in a loss right now. So let's check. It's kind of in a loss, but a minor loss. Check the 15 minutes time frame. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's looking nice. That was just a pullback. We're or $43. So that's the main target. That is the trade you're running on. And if you see this is a 100 pips target, I'm definitely sure that this is not going to hit today because for it to hit 1.09400, that has to be very big engulfing. So we're looking at this position to run for days, right? So yeah, basically that's what we just do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.